Do you sneeze every time you walk out into the bright sun? If yes, congratulations, you are a mutant. Well, sort of. It is called the phonic sneeze reflex, and it happens because of a cross wire in your brain. Your optic nerve handles light, and your trigeminal nerve handles losing. When bright light hits your eyes, the signal is so strong it leaks over to the sneeze nerve. Scientists actually named this syndrome ACHOO. I am not joking. It stands for autosomal compelling helioophthalmic outburst. Is dynamic. If one of your parents has it, there is a 50% chance you have it too. Something that helped cavemen clear their airways before hunting. Maybe it's just a glitch. Are you a sun sneezer? Tell me in the comments and subscribe.